Hello, welcome to this super short video on how to extract foreign exchange rates for Naira, so parallel market and official market. So what you do is on your Excel 2016, you go to Insert and then you see Get Headings. You click on Get Headings, and once it loads up, okay, you search for Nigeria market data, and then it comes up. You click on add. So I won't click add because I already have added it. When you click on add, instantly it will add it to your home menu items. And so you click on the Nigeria market data, and instantly the entire menu comes up. The entire tool functions shows on your Excel. And so let's start. If you want the official exchange rate, so it does for the last day. So for yesterday's figure is what you will get when you click today. So you click on official yesterday rate. Okay, great. And the moment you click on it, you see it shows you all the major currencies, and then against Naira. So this is the official rate, and you can see USD, Euro, all the common currencies that we trade against. And what if you want the much more closer to reality parallel market rate? So you do that, you click parallel yesterday rate, and instantly that's done, right? And then what if you want to see, you want to go back, what was it December last year? So you start by typing in, first with an apostrophe, or you format as text, and the year dash the month dash the day. Okay, and once you've done that, you click on that particular date you just typed, and then you pick official highlighted or parallel highlighted. So let me do official highlighted date rate, and boom, you see it's done that, right? So that's how it works. And then so go give it a try.